So when it comes to HMO furniture, you're almost always going to want pre-assembled furniture from HMO furniture specialists. Now we use Yardley Wood furniture in Birmingham, mostly because we have a large portfolio of properties that we manage, and we need somebody local that can deliver us, remove and replace mattresses, replace furniture that we in a range that we already have with them. And obviously they're really good price, really good quality, and really good service and all that sort of stuff. But you can also use the sort of the more national HMO furniture company. We have used, for example, Landlords Furniture Co. They've been absolutely great, and I'm pretty sure there are other really good HMO furniture specialists as well. Now, what I'm saying is, when it comes to HMO furniture, the reason you want pre-assembled HMO furniture is because they are a lot more durable. For example, these aren't going to be as rickety as the ones you assemble yourself. Like, try to avoid the IKEA stuff. They're really not good quality. They might look nice, but they're really not good quality. This, for example, pre-assembled, that is good and very durable. The HMO furniture range from HMO specialists as well, is that they are designed in a certain way, often very modern, and you've got a variety of designs to choose from, whatever suits your HMO color scheme. But ultimately it boils down to the economics. So as an example, a set like this, I think only costs about, was it 6.5, maybe 700. That includes the mattress, the bed, with a cutout. Make sure you have a cutout bed. Now, what you have to consider is that these have been pre-assembled. So firstly, they're sturdy. The HMO furniture company will come and will deliver the furniture assembled. They'll bring it to the room itself, and then they will finish the final assembly. So basically put handles on the outside, because sometimes they're done in the inside for transportations, but then they'll have to obviously then put the handles on the outside, things like that. What you have to consider is, if you are buying flat packs yourself, you will have to go to the store or buy online. Often case, you're going to the store, like you're going to IKEA, or you buy online, let's say. If you go to the store, that's time. Okay, so that's like half a day. If you order it online, then somebody has to be at the property to accept the delivery. And you know what delivery people are like, it's hit and miss, put it that way. And so that's quite time consuming. It's also really heavy. You do not want to be carrying that around, even if it's flat pack. And if it was flat pack, not only is it heavy, but it probably won't even fit your car or a van. So basically it's not very practical. So you've got that, all that sort of stuff to carry. So you're wasting a lot of time going to place the order, going to pick it up, potentially being there for deliveries, and then it probably won't fit in the car anyway, so it's not that practical. And then on top of that, then you would have to spend an afternoon at least to assemble all the furniture. And do you have the tools? Do you have the skills? Because if you do it wrong, the structural integrity isn't going to be 100%, and over time it will just break. Or you get a contractor out who will assemble all the furniture for you, the flat pack for you. But in that situation, you're then paying another salary, or somebody else. You're basically paying an additional fee. Your total cost will work out to be much higher than if you're to use a professional HMO furniture company, where you can choose the range, go on touch and feel, choose the range, and then just ask them to deliver it. They will deliver it, assemble it. They will remove all the rubbish, all the packaging, and then they'll just leave. And you can do that for six. If you've got 6 rooms, 5 rooms, whatever it is, multiple rooms, that's much better. But buying for one, it's just not worth it. So if you have a HMO room, if they are for professionals, 100% use a HMO furniture specialist company. Go online, check the brochure, make sure you, if you can, go and touch and feel, or ask a local landlord or investor if they've used them before, if you can go and try out their furniture or go to the showroom, order it a few weeks in advance, and then they'll come, drop everything off, deliver it, and then you might need to then touch up the paintwork afterwards, but that's just normal. Hi guys, if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let and manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. If you're going to order furniture like this, and if it's going to be delivered by a company and assembled, do that right at the end of your refurb, but order it 3 to 4 weeks in advance. Have it delivered before the snagging, because once it's delivered, then do the snagging, and then the decorator will go around and touch up scrapes and marks on the walls, because it's almost guaranteed that there will be scrapes and marks on the walls from moving the furniture around. That's just how it is. But if you do that at the point of snagging, then that can be caught with the decorator or the builder, whoever it is that's doing the snagging, and they can touch up those things as well. All right, hope that's been helpful. It seems like I've just done like a long series on HMO furniture. Who would have thought there'd be so much content or information on furniture? All right, see you.